Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I take care of my curly hair and without getting maximum damage and having the enjoyable day for the day. So yeah, you can see my hair, it's totally frizzy and my curls are also not properly defined. I don't have super curly hair, but I have somewhat beach wave kind of hair, because of which it looks really frizzy and like very voluminous all the time, but actually I don't have that much volume, so I need to define my volume in such a way that it will look good. So let's get started with that. So for the entire process I'll be doing the first step, that is oiling my hair, because my hair is very dry, so oiling is a must for my hair. So I'll simply oil my hair, then I'll start the entire process of shampooing, conditioning, masking and the rest of the steps. So I'll be telling you everything, but if you want to know more about the oil, comment down below. I'll be giving you the link, and I can also do a full review on that entire that particular oil. So yeah, now let's get started with the video, but don't forget to follow me over Instagram and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we upload a new video. So let's get started. Okay, so I have completed all my chores and it has been already more than 1 hour. I have applied this oil to my hair, so let's get started with our hair care routine, right? So you can see my hair looks quite oily now, so let's start with this hair care regime. So basically I have some amazing products that I wanted to show you all, and guess what is the brand? So these are the products that I have got. Yeah, you guessed the brand right. This is CurlVana. CurlVana's entire set is with me. So basically I have cleanser, conditioning, hair masking, leave-in cream and the styling gel. I'll show you how to use them and get the flawless curls. So let's get started with this. So first of all, I'll just wet my hair and come quickly, then we'll start applying the shampoo to our hair. So basically I don't apply shampoo directly to my hair. I generally dilute it a bit, then only apply it. So let's get started with that. Okay, so actually my entire robe is wet, so I cannot even put this mic on. Anyways, I have completed washing my hair. It's totally like just washed. I'll be applying the conditioner after this. So I'm just trying to pat dry with the towel so that it soaks all the water, and then I'll apply the conditioner so that I'll get the maximum conditioning to my hair. So let's get started with that. Okay, so hair conditioning is done. I'll be following it up with the hair mask, which is this, the CurlVana hair mask. It's very good. It's free from all artificial colors and fragrances, and it is free from all kinds of sulphate, silicone, parabens and petroleum derivatives or oils. So let's start with this. I'll be just keeping it for 5 minutes because I have already applied conditioner for a long time. So let's start with this one now. Conditioning was done. The next step I did was hair masking that you saw right now. I'll be keeping this one for 10 minutes, then I'll wash it off, and then I'll do the rest of my work. So let's get going with that. Already completed my masking and the masking, conditioning and shampoo as you saw. So now I'll be just applying my leave-in cream and the styling gel to get the curls into shape and get it set for the next 4 days. So let's get started with that. Okay, so it has been a while. I try to towel dry my hair maximum as much as possible, because to apply a leave-in cream I need my hair to be at least just dry and not dripping wet. So I just did that with my hair. Right now I'll apply the leave-in cream as much as possible, not like too much. Actually I applied before this one, but it was way too much and my hair felt very heavy. So I just let it wash and remove the excess amount, and I will just apply little amount of leave-in cream now. Only this much will be enough. I'm gonna scrunch my hair after making some patterns like this, so that it will look good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 15 seconds done. Now I'll apply the same thing to this side and I'll let it sit for next 15 minutes, and then we'll just do the rest of the work. Then we'll apply some gel and it will be done then. Applying some more over here and just to the down, and then make a pattern like this. And so yeah, let's apply some styling gel. I'll apply just a bit, not too much, because my hair feels really heavy. And then I'll dry it, like fully air dry, and then I'll show you the results. So this is how my hair looks at the end. Look at the beautiful defined curls. It's not even frizzy, it's just perfect. It sits so well and it gives so much volume to my hair, and I personally love it a lot. So if you want to shop this entire range of CurlVana, you can simply check the description. I have linked it down there, and you can also use my coupon. It's provided over here and in the description to get additional discount, of course. And just go for this. This is perfect for your curls. It's just perfect. It sets the hair so well. I can't stop touching my hair because of that. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. So, and don't forget to follow me over Instagram. I post regular hair care and skincare tips over there, and I am sure I am gonna get some fashion videos soon in this channel. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Bye bye, have a good day.